Okay, number 11, contract labor. So number 10, number 11, very similar to each other. The thing is, commission probably is more on the regular basis. Say for the real estate agent, you are the regular agent for this broker, and this broker give you commission. So report here, number 10. But if you just hire any contractor come in to repair something, that may repair, as 11. 12. Yes.
If the contract didn't give me receipt, can I deduct it? Even he didn't
No.
give me receipt.
No, we are talking about the record. We are talking about that's a big issue. Okay, everything you want to report as expenses. Number one issue, it must be ordinary. Number two, must be necessary. And don't forget, you need to keep documentation. If you don't keep documentation, even though you meet ordinary, necessary, you cannot deduct. Very important. We'll talk about that. Okay.
Maybe handyman, they don't have receipt.
Then you cannot deduct it. Straightforward. Very straightforward. When IRS come in, they will audit your receipt. There is no receipt, no deduction. Very easy. Very straightforward. But of course, you take chance. You just deduct it, but IRS never come in to audit it. But
What about you write the check?
still cannot. When the IRS come in, when they audit it, they will ask for the contract you made. Okay, the contract you made. They must see the contract. They must see your payment, the cancel check. Number three, they must see the receipt. Three things together. Very, very strict. So be careful, okay. Number 12, I don't care about that. Depletion, we will talk about what depletion is in chapter 6. Number 13, big issue for chapter 6, next chapter. Big issue. We cannot cover everything because this one is more related to CPA job. If you want to become a CPA, this is your job in the future, okay? By the way, number 13 is one very, very good example where taxation accounting different from financial accounting. Okay, number 13, when we talk about depreciation, you can use one method to calculate your depreciation for your financial statement. Why? Because if your company is a public company, you want to see the expenses as small as possible. And it ends out with larger net income on your report, and your stock goes up. Right? Because every 3 months, Wall Street, they're gonna see your financial report. If your company is open public, it's an open public company, mean the stock trading, you want to see the net income as big as possible. So you want to see expenses as low as possible. However, for taxation purposes, you want to pay tax as little as possible. So number 13 is one area, big area. You can see in the United States, it is lawful, allowable. You use different depreciation method. One way for your financial statement, the other way for your taxation purposes. So I have one final project here. Okay, anybody is interested? Tax accounting versus financial accounting. Big issue, very big issue. Okay, Eugene, you want to pick up? Oh, by the way, I post this every time we meet. I cannot post everything, okay, because I need to prepare each session. So right now I posted up to chapter 6 already. I highly recommend you pick out your final project topic as soon as possible because you will have more time to prepare.
If I already choose mine, can I change?
No. You can. That's the rule of the game. Pick out. But you can add more. You say I want to have 2 topics. That's fine. But once you, because there's one way I need. Because I need to. There's one way I can keep my record straight. Otherwise, if I change that, I need to change my record also. So once you adopt it, you stick with it.
If I choose to the same thing,
you get a bonus.
12 minutes for both or each.
This fine. Doesn't matter. So total each topic is 12 minutes.
Okay.
So you cannot say, well, I have 2 topics, I only have 6 minutes for each topic. That's too short. Okay. You have 2 topics, you get the bonus. Okay. So that means you may get a triple A. Some people it's like A+, you got a triple A. Anyway, so 13, that's big issue. Okay. Don't look at just only one, one item here, but that's a big issue of chapter 6. Go ahead.
Number 9, that's car.
Car, right? This is another big issue.
So this including the depreciation or not?
Yes, but however, we will talk about that. Okay, we will talk about that.
This is expenses, right?
Right. Number 9 and number 13 is different because number 13 is focused on the section 179. We will talk about briefly 179. So let me tell you what is 179. Say you purchase computer come in. According to tax law, you are supposed to deduct these expenses like I believe it's 5 years. So say $1,000 divided by 5 years. Each year you can only deduct $200. For example, this is called depreciation. However, under 179, see, this is different from taxation from financial accounting, right? Financial accounting you need to divide it. However, for tax purposes, okay, section 179 allowed small business, say for the whole year, your business expenses below than say, I don't know, $125,000. Small business. For small business, you will not spend more than $100,000 per year for expenses. So eventually that number is high, 400 something. For small business, you qualify, you can deduct one time.
So
$1,000 you deduct all in this year.
small businesses are within how much?
I can check. I believe the whole year expenses is lower than 400,000. Then for the whole year you do not deduct, say under 125. So a lot of small business gonna be qualified. Will be qualified under 179. So number 9, number 13 may overlap. So you choose. We'll talk about that. Okay. Especially for automobile, you have 2 ways to deduct it. One is a standard. Standard usually means your car is very, very old. No any value, not too much. You don't have the value to depreciate. Then you choose standard, mileage. Actual, that means your car is very expensive. You have a lot of depreciation. So you use actual. However, there's a limit for depreciation. Okay, just give you kind of idea. Number 14, employee benefit. Employee benefit. Say IRA, okay, 401k, something like that. If you provide it, okay. Usually for small business, it's not required by law. But in case you provide it, there is the regulation and you can deduct it. 15, insurance, but be careful, other than health. Okay, so not including the medical. Okay, if you provide or you have, say, liability insurance, E&O insurance, any other insurance, you deduct here. 16, interest. So for example, mortgage is very, very special case. For small business, normally your business, does not qualify for loan. But in case you have any business loan, say you use business card, business credit card to purchase something, and you did not pay off everything, you keep the balance there, then every month you pay interest, you can deduct from here. Remember, okay, when we talk about Schedule C, it is not your personal expenses. Everything we talk about here must be related, ordinary, necessary, related to your business.
But this mortgage maybe like, for example,